tax collector. He's an outcast of society. He is mentioned in the same breath as murderers and cutthroats and thieves, and he is so scandalous that he could not even be a witness in the court of law. And so, and if that's not enough, he's so scandalous that they won't even allow him to go into the temple. He was barred from public worship. And is there anybody in here tonight that can remember your scandalous lifestyle, but you ran into a man named Jesus, and all he said was, "Come, follow me"? Can I give you all another word? That when everybody looks into our churches, we're full of scandalous people. You're still a liar, you're still a cheater, or you don't believe it. If you walk around the grocery store eating grapes that you ain't even paid for yet, that makes you a thief. You're a scandalous person.
Amen.
Still in great.
Amen. Ain't paid for him yet.
Levi doesn't ask no questions.